Let's explore some practical JavaScript examples, focusing on real-world applications and common patterns used in modern web development. We will cover array operations, asynchronous programming, and document object model manipulation. Here we'll dive into common array operation patterns. First is data transformation. This involves converting an array of user objects to get specific properties, like extracting just the names from an array of user objects. Another common pattern is filtering and sorting. This involves filtering an array to include elements that meet certain conditions and sorting those elements based on particular criteria. Now let's explore some advanced array operation patterns. Data aggregation is where we group and summarize array data using the reduce method. This can be useful for calculating things like total sales by category. Next, array flattening. This involves transforming nested arrays into a single-level array and performing operations like sum of all numbers. Let's shift our focus to asynchronous programming patterns. We'll start with promise chaining. This involves handling a sequence of asynchronous operations using the then method of promises. This ensures that each operation happens in order. Another pattern is async and await. This is a modern way to write asynchronous code. It makes the code look more like synchronous code and it handles the asynchronous operations. Now let's discuss some advanced asynchronous patterns. First, parallel operations. Here we execute multiple asynchronous operations at the same time and wait for all of them to complete. This is done using promise.all. Next is race condition. This is where we handle multiple asynchronous requests and effectively resolve the request that resolves first. Let's explore document object model, or DOM manipulation patterns. First, we have element creation and updates. This includes creating new HTML elements dynamically and updating the content of existing elements. Second is event delegation. Here we handle events on a parent element and process which child triggered the event. This helps to handle dynamic content. Let's explore advanced techniques for working with the document object model. First, we will discuss document fragment. Document fragments allow efficient manipulation of the DOM and bulk updates. Secondly, mutation observer pattern. This is for watching for DOM changes and reacting accordingly. It helps to track changes happening in the DOM and execute some code accordingly. Let's explore common error handling patterns. Custom error classes are used to create specific error types for better error handling. It provides more details about error. The next is async error handling. Here we handle errors in async await code effectively using try and catch block. Let's explore some common design patterns. First, the Singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. Next is the observer pattern. This defines a one-to-many dependency relationship between objects, so that when one object changes state, all its dependents are notified. Let's explore some advanced design patterns. First is the factory pattern. This pattern provides an interface for creating objects without exposing the object creation logic. Second is the module pattern. This encapsulates code and data within a module, helping to organize code better. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.